Hi, I'm Ray. Well, I'm in the garden and we're doing a few jobs. I've just been to the supermarket and I bought some Piccalo tomatoes, and these tomatoes are just so delicious. They're a small cherry tomato, but they're so fragrant when eaten. They're so tasty. They're really, really nice, and I've got to do it. Lovely. They don't even make the packet. But today I'm gonna see if we can save some of these seeds and grow some on. That would be great to be able to grow my own picadillos. So on the supermarket packet, these are grown in Spain and they're part of the Piccalo group. So we're gonna have a go, see if we can grow some, and I'll show you how we save the seeds of tomatoes. So let's go, let me show you. So this is the tomatoes, and they're small, tiny cherry tomatoes, and they look absolutely lovely. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take a few, which is, it's a bit of a shame, that small one's got to be eaten. And I'm going to save some of the seeds. So I'm just going to slice them open. And we can see there's a few seeds in there, not so many, but I'm just going to use this cup and we're going to scoop the seeds into this cup. Just like so. Lovely. And we're going to do the same with this one too. That seems such a waste. But hopefully we can grow some of these and we'll have our own harvest. So here we go. We've got our seeds in our glass. And I might just do a second one just in case. Bigger seeds in this one. And the third one I'm going to eat. Don't want to waste too many. There we go, look. So that's the tomatoes we're going to use, and we've got a nice cup full of seeds. So I'm just going to cover these with a paper towel, and we're just going to store them for 4 days and we'll come back. So this is our seeds after 4 days. There's a bit of fungal on top, but that's okay. So we're just going to add a touch of water to the glass. And now we can see anything floating on the top is not good. So we're just giving that a drain away. Any seeds floating are not viable. So we don't need those. So we're just removing all the rest of the debris on the top. And what we want is the seeds at the bottom. So we're just going to go through this process a couple of times, making sure all the loose stuff on the top is removed. And there we go, we're just removing the final bits of the water, just so then we can finally drain the seeds and keep the seeds. So that's our end product, and that's the seeds that we're going to be saving. looking good. Looking forward to these Piccalo tomatoes. So now we're going to get a dish and a paper tissue, and we spread the contents of the seeds onto the paper tissue. So we're just spreading them evenly, removing them from the pack so they're nicely spaced out, giving them a bit of air and a bit of space to be able to dry. And this is going to go on top of my fridge, and it can dry off and we can dry these seeds. So we'll come back in about a week or so and we can check out the seeds and they'll be ready for storing or for growing on. So after 1.5 weeks, we can see our seeds, and we can see they've changed slightly colour. They're slightly lighter, and they're all dried off. So we can now either store these in a paper envelope, or we can sow some in a pot, ready for growing in the spring. So the seeds that we saved, we got our little pot of compost. We planted 3 or 4 seeds as a test to see what happened, and here we go. We've got some little seedlings coming, so it's looking good, and another one at the back there looking a bit sad, but there we go. Hopefully we've got our Piccalo tomato and we can grow our own, so really looking forward to that. So thank you for watching, and if you're new to my channel then please subscribe, ring that bell, get notifications when I post some more. Thank you very much. Cheers.